Hi guys, this is video installation of windscreen on my Hero Xpulse 200T. This is a windscreen what I've got it from the workshop, and there are a few mountings which we need to buy along with the windscreen, else you won't be able to install this windscreen. This windscreen is a direct fit from Hero Xpulse 200, the off-road model. So this is what you get. These are the mountings. And these are the mounting screws. So let's move ahead and fix this windscreen and see how it looks. So guys, hi, I have finally mounted the brackets, and this is how we need to install the brackets. That's how it looks from the side. And it goes right in there. So I'll remove the speedometer right now and I'll show you how it has to be mounted. Finally the speedometer is out, and these are the bolts from the speedometer. I'm not sure I can use the same bolts to mount it here. Let's see if I can mount it. So here guys, I've just put the windscreen here. I was under the impression that the mounting will connect here where the speedometer mounts, but no, there's a separate mounting down here, okay, where you can mount it. Buying this windscreen because that's what you need to fix it here. The windscreen and the bolt have been tightened. Looks very sturdy. I will go now and install back my speedometer. Let's see how it looks. Finally the windscreen is installed. I did a big mistake of installing the windshield to the mounting first, because of which I was not able to tighten this speedometer mounting bolt. So what I need to do is I need to remove the windscreen again and fix the speedometer first and then the windscreen again. So that's how the windscreen looks now. Bike looks awesome, isn't it? Thank you very much guys. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos coming up. Thank you.